Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to know about the best price of iPads during Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian sale. So in this video, I will mainly talk about the prices of different types of iPads. If you are planning to buy iPad Air M1, in that case, if you get the 64GB Wi-Fi variant at around 35,000 rupees, you can definitely grab that deal. And for the 128GB, you can spend up to 40,000 rupees maximum. Next, if you are planning to buy iPad Air M2 11-inch, in that case the best price for the 128GB is 42 to 45,000 rupees. Similarly, if your budget is under 45 to 48,000 rupees, in that case you can consider buying iPad Air M3. Next, if you are planning to buy iPad 10th generation 64GB variant, in that case the best price for iPad 10th generation 64GB is only 20 to 22,000 rupees during Big Billion Days sale. And if you want to buy the 256GB of iPad 10th generation, in that case the best price would be 28,000 rupees maximum. iPad 11th generation has been launched this year, so you can also grab iPad 11th generation 128GB variant at a price point of 27,000 rupees during Big Billion Days sale. Now many people are confused between the 256GB of iPad 10th generation and the 128GB of iPad 11th generation. If you want to multitask, heavy video rendering and want the latest software update for 2 years more, in that case you can consider iPad 11th generation. But if you have no urgency of update and you don't want to render any high-end video, only 4K 60 FPS normal videos, in that case you can consider the 256GB of iPad 10th generation. During Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian sale, you will definitely get great discounts, so don't buy any iPad right now. Wait for the Big Billion Days sale that will come in next month. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.